Hello and back to my channel The Home DIY. In this video I am going to tell you the wall decoration for the living rooms. Your living room is the heart of your home, a space that reflects your life, personality and the essence of your family. When it comes to interior decoration, the walls are the like canvas waiting to be adorned with creativity and charm. In this video, we are going to explore the variety of wall decoration ideas that will transform your living room into a capturing and inspiring space. Whether you prefer minimalistic elegance or a bold statement pieces, you are very much here. Create a gallery wall filled with your favorite family photos and artwork. Mix and match frames to add an electric touch. This personalized decor not only showcases your memories but also add a warm and inviting feel to your living room. Make a bold statement with a large eye-catching piece of artwork, whether it's a contemporary painting or a classic masterpiece. A wall chosen artwork can become the focal point of your living room. Floating shelves not only provide storage but also offers opportunities to creative walls decoration. Arrange a collection of books, decorative objects and plants to add depth and character to your space. Wall decor and murals for endless opportunities for adding unique flair for your living room. From nature inspired scenes to abstract designs that can completely transform your walls. Mirror are the fantastic choice for adding both style and depth for your living room. A strategical placed mirror can make your space appear larger while reflecting natural lights. Consider textured wall panels to add dimension and interest to your living rooms. These panels came in various materials like wood, stone, even 3D panels that create a visual impact. Add a touch of Bruninen charm with a decorative tapestry or wall hangings. These pieces can introduce color, pattern, and a cozy atmosphere to your living room. Incorporate natural into your decor with a floating wall planters. Greenery not only adds a blush of color but also purifies the air and promote a sense of well-being. Wallpapers are made to come back and in interior design choose a bold patterned wallpaper for an ancient wall or a sculpture textured wallpapers to add depth into a wall overwhelming the space. Custom your wall shelves allows you to tailor your decor to your needs. You can display your collection of books, arts, and even favorite travel